pig is very hungry, and I need to get him some food.
I see. Well, it's like this. If you get something for your guinea pig, it must start with a G sound.
A G sound?
You got it! I have two kinds of food to choose from. Green grass and crunchy carrots. Which one starts with a G sound?
I need your help. Which one starts with a G sound? Green grass or crunchy carrots?
Green grass! Great! Green grass starts with a G sound. Green grass for your guinea pig!